North Korea unveils one of its most powerful battlefield weapons, the massive 600mm multiple rocket launcher. At a recent defense exhibition in North Korea, around 50 heavy rocket launchers were displayed, signaling large-scale deployment capability. These are 600mm caliber super large rockets, far bigger than standard artillery systems. With a reported range of up to 400 kilometers, they can cover almost all of South Korea from launch positions inside the north. Designed for rapid saturation strikes, each launcher can fire multiple guided rockets targeting air bases, ports, and command centers. This dramatically shifts battlefield dynamics on the Korean peninsula, increasing pressure in any future conflict scenario. Follow for more defense insights.